Wow, hey guys, this is my 3D printer. So, I just ran a test to find the error inside when the 3D model I printed out. So these are just small tubes. So this is the sketch of it, and I also written a simple script. Here it is. It's so hard when you don't have a tripod. So this script is just nothing really fancy. Here's a config file where I have the measurement. So the data structures is like this. You have a default measurement and minimum, actual, maximum, and it doesn't really matter either size. So here's the height. So you find the difference. There's a width, and then got the inner diameter, thickness, and here's the code. Just I run the first function. So when you run it, it can search for minimum difference, max, average, all sort of these. So here's the result for the Ender version 3, and I have it on my Discord, so I will put the link below. So if you guys want to contribute in it and use it, feel free to. I'm also new to GitHub, so I don't know how to accept contributions, but yeah, cool. All right, thank you guys.